Welcome back to Bluegrass Garage. Been a couple weeks since we had a video, so have a new addition to the shop. Let's take a look.
Full speed. Burnout.
Okay, what we have here is a 1980 Fox Body Mustang. And at first glance, it looks like nothing special. It's a simple little hatchback. But you notice that little scoop on the hood. Upon closer inspection, we can see this is actually 1980 turbo 4-cylinder Mustang, factory turbo 4-cylinder Mustang. Now, in the 1980s, obviously, it would not have a lot of power, probably 120 horsepower or so. But it just goes to show that Ford has been doing the turbo 4-cylinder Mustang thing for a long time. Now, I have a new EcoBoost Mustang and I love it, but some people think that's a new thing, and this proves that it's not. Let's take a look around. If you take a look on first inspection, you can see where someone has painted over some surface rust. No big deal. The car is actually in really good shape, missing some moldings, but the car is solid, the body's solid, the frame is solid, everything is very solid. As you can see, someone at some point had put on some 10-hole wheels, which are not factory. However, not factory for this car. However, I do have the original wheels in the set in the garage in good shape. Let's walk around to the back. Love this 70s looking stripe here. All that's in pretty good shape. There's obviously some issues here and there. But overall, this car is in really good shape. Except for this. Looks like the molding must have retained some water, rusted out. So depending on if we do anything with it or not, it'll have to be replaced, or I guess you could repair that. But either way, that's an issue. But that's really the only major issue. Come back around to the front here. And again, you see that scoop, a huge hood scoop in 1980 for a 4-cylinder car. Now, the 4-eyed look, either love it or hate it. I'm a Mustang fan and a Fox Body fan, so I like them all. Even though I'm currently building, or will be building, an Arrow Nose, I've had several 4-eyes and I like them all. So let's go take a look in the trunk, see what we got going here. Or the hatch, I should say. The heavy hatch. As you can see, that one support is not enough. Anyway, it's in good shape here, as you can see. It seems to be all there. It's super heavy, but no issues here. Nice, clean-ish original car. Let's go around, take a look inside. One of my favorite parts about the car is just how complete and clean it is. Now, obviously when I say clean, I mean not damaged, but it could use a good cleaning. Seats aren't ripped, at least these aren't. This has got some rips here, but again, nothing major. Door panels look really good. Love the wood grain, fake wood grain dash. Factory 8-track player, and of course, manual transmission. 4-speed. And of course the dash pad obviously needs replaced. Cute little map light, and it needs a headliner. But as you can see by looking at this, for an original 1980 Mustang that has not been restored and clearly has been driven, it's not bad. Now let's go take a look under the hood of this beast. Someone needs to grease those hinges. There she is, all 120 horsepowers turbos over here. Just a very original car with air conditioning, I might add. Solid, complete, no major issues. And coming up soon next week, we'll see how well it runs and decide what we're going to do with it. Again, we don't know if we're going to build the car or find someone else who will love it as much as I will. I have plenty going on, including another Fox Body. So it's not like that it was something I sought out just to build. Like I said, I just kind of happened upon it and thought it was a really cool, unique car. So we'll see. If we decide to build it or do anything with it, stay tuned for some update videos with that. If we find someone else who loves it more than we do, well then we'll let you know that as well. And also stay tuned to the channel for other updates on the '69 Firebird. Lots of metal work being done there, hopefully soon in body work. And the 1938 Chevy has found a new home in Florida. So, be sad to see her go, but that was a fun project to work on. So anyway, alright, thanks a lot for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you like this video. If you like Fox Buddies, as you can see, I've got several. Alright, have a good day.